Now, how do you stop a workout on the Apple Watch? So you might be in the middle of a workout session, which is obviously set up through this workout app. So any type of workout, whether it's running, cycling, or essentially like hundreds of other workouts, every single one, if you tap on it, you start it, right? But in order to finish it, you have to be on the workout page where you can track all of the numbers and everything, and a swipe to the left, right? So from left to right like that, and you'll get to a page where you can pause the workout and, manage some other things. But naturally, the red X icon is there for you to click on it and stop the current workout session. This will get saved in your phone in the health app, and it's much easier to track it on the phone where you can just locate the fitness application and check out the recent sessions, and there you can browse the workouts you did, right? So that's how it works. And if you had in mind something different, like the exercise rings, well, this doesn't really have an off button. Like, you can only choose to ignore it, I guess, because you can just not look at it, but the watch will always just track your calories and the activity minutes. So you cannot really do anything with that, and it shouldn't really stand in the way of you doing anything. So yeah, let me know below in the comments if we managed to fix the issue for you. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.